Fuck off.
Yeah,
Motherfuck the he say, she say. I'm just trying to run the game like a relay and score the winning touchdown, see the replay. Caught my favorite kicks, maybe up for eBay. Shit's real, even though I don't got a deal. No deal could change the way that a nigga feel. When I hop on stage and start spitting ill, December cold flow, that's what I mean when I say I'm chill. Nah nigga, we right where we supposed to be. Never see us out, but we in this bitch like ovaries. Lames take note of me, hoping they can roll with me. Joke to me, hurricane flow without no relief. I don't see how the game gon' go with me. It's half rap, half poetry. Paint the Mona Lisa in the sky where I kick my feet up. Busy paper chasing, ain't got time to put my feet up. Game is out of creativity, I am the re-up. Up in space where I pace, they still gotta speed up just so they can keep up. But we will never meet up. I'm too ahead of you weak fucks to be touched. From the 518, told my moms that I got this. Partially responsible for naming me a prophet. Prophet not Elijah, but I rock with Elijah, cause he too spit knowledge way before there was a college. And that ain't my topic, let me re-engage. Meet my wife hip-hop, yeah we